Turning now to the fight against COVID-19, the FDA is expected to authorize the booster of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine later this week. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez joined us live after catching up with a few Oregonians who got the single dose back in the spring. Bridget?
Yeah, Nora, the two women I spoke with say they're not really surprised that they'll likely need to get these booster shots and say they'll roll up their sleeves as soon as they can. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine was originally the one-and-done COVID-19 vaccine, but as we've learned throughout the pandemic, things can change quickly. An FDA advisory committee voted unanimously last week to recommend that anyone who got the J&J vaccine get a booster 2 months after their first dose.
Sign me up as quickly as possible.
Kristen Lebensky got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine in March and plans to get her booster as soon as it's available.
As we are watching science happen in real time. They're learning as we are learning, and they're being very open with what they tell us. So I understand that it wasn't available before, and I also understand that they were trying to make sure everybody gets one at least.
23-year-old Madeline Hoffbauer was also vaccinated in the spring.
I am honestly, to me, it makes sense. I kind of, when I got the single dose, I kind of went into it kind of expecting things to kind of continue to shake out. And, medicine evolves with time. And so I got the Johnson & Johnson, with full faith that it would help protect me for the time being.
Hoffbauer says she originally wanted to get Pfizer or Moderna, but J&J was all that was available at the time.
Like knowing that all of the other vaccines are a double dose, I guess maybe part of me is just like, for it to be a true like single one and done, that's it ever would be like kind of wishful thinking. I honestly didn't feel a lot of reservation. If anything, I felt a little bit of relief for it. Like, I guess in my mind, it just kind of makes sense. As the virus evolves, so do the means that we need to treat it.
We asked the Oregon Health Authority what its plan is for rolling out boosters now for Johnson & Johnson and Moderna, as that approval is expected this week. OHA says it's asking people to be patient and that booster appointments may not be immediately available, but those who are eligible will get one. And after the FDA considers this recommendation, it will then move to the CDC for consideration there. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.